What's up guys, my name is Josh Yergi. Over the last decade, me and my team have generated over $500 million in revenue. And today I want to share with you how to turn objections into yeses. So this really starts with you as the salesperson and reframing what you think is an objection as the reason why they should move forward. I'll give you an example. In our company, we're in home services, windows, roofing, siding, doors, solar. When we're trying to set appointments, sometimes the customer will say something like, well, I want to sell my house next year. A lot of salespeople take that as, oh, that's an objection that I now need to overcome. And I need to tell this homeowner something to try to change their mind and get them to think the way that I think and accept an estimate for whatever product I'm trying to set the appointment for. That is the wrong approach because the homeowner didn't say, I don't want a new roof, we're moving next year. They just made a statement, we're moving next year. And what you need to do is reframe how you're thinking about it and think about the reasons why they should get the estimate because they're moving next year. So it sounds something like this. We're moving next year, so I don't think now is a good time. Oh, that's actually perfect. Most of our customers do sell in the spring, and right now we're in November, December, so we can just get you the estimate. It's something you can hang on to in the spring when you get your home inspection. If they decide that the roof needs to be replaced, at least you've got a starting point for the numbers. My estimator is going to be in the neighborhood all day today and tomorrow, or mornings or evenings better for you. Okay, so that approach is far different and there's a lot less friction for the customer because more than likely if they actually are selling the house, they would understand that they need to get a home inspection, and most homes don't pass inspections. Work needs to get done, and the homeowner has two options. They can either take it off the price of the house or they can do the work themselves, and you're just trying to offer them a free service to help them with that process. So it's a totally different mindset than, okay, this is an objection that I need to overcome. I need to tell them something to get them to believe what I believe. I watch a lot of people bang their head against the wall every time a question gets asked, thinking it's an objection, instead of just rolling with the punches, assuming the sale, and thinking about the reasons why the customer needs to move forward because of what they said. I hope this is helpful. This is something that helped hundreds of people earn multiple six figures in income. Remember, wherever you're at in your journey, I've been there. Stay hungry, stay dangerous, and let's get to work.